Introducing the JCC line of light, how to install and set up the product. How to open the line of light. Simply remove the two die-cast aluminium end caps, and then we find the best way to open the fitting is to snap the diffuser from the base, which releases the internal clips. Don't be afraid of being forceful when opening the line of light. The line of light is 3 CCT and multi-wattage selectable. To change the power, simply move the dip switches on the driver to the suitable location, and to swap the CCT, use your finger to swap the CCT switch between 3, 4 and 5, 7K. Line of light internal wiring and connectors. The line of light is color coded and all of the plugs, wires are labeled and colored live earth neutral. The internal connectors are red, black and clear, and all of the AC wires are labeled and color coded for ease of use by the contractor. Connecting the JCC line of light emergency pack. The emergency pack has been designed to be plug and play, and all of the cables and connectors are color coded. The battery is located within the green housing. To open the housing, simply remove the green cover and then connect or disconnect the battery. Locate the emergency pack area within the housing and then plug in the emergency pack into the base. The wires and connectors are all color coded, so take the black DC connector and place it into the black PCB mounted location. Then remove the cover from the AC side and plug in the AC connector, which includes the live and the live. The indicator light plugs into the base in the PCB, and the indicator stalk goes through the diffuser and shines through onto the diffuser. Disconnecting the diffuser from the base. To disconnect the diffuser, remove the security wire, unplug the indicator light, disconnect the earth tag, remove the DC connector, and then remove the final security wire. How to connect the uplighter section. Remove the silicon cover from the DC connector located in the rear of the base. Align the two connectors. Don't be afraid of being forceful here, of pushing the two parts together. The uplighter section is 3 CCT, so when you change the color temperature within the fitting, it also changes the color of the uplighter section. The line of light is available in DALI 1-10 and Switch Dim. Remove the DC connector, remove the AC connector, and then pull the driver from the retaining clips located in the base. Take the dimming driver, which is color coded with the wires. You can see here you've got the DC, the AC, and then the dimming wire. To insert the dimming driver, simply clip it into the clips and then attach the LED DC connector into the PCB, attach the AC connector into the PCB, and then take the dimming connector and plug it into the dimming port in the base. Tidy away any loose cables. How to connect the illuminated corners to the line of light. Within the box you have the linking brackets. We also have the diffuser section and the base that are disconnected. The diffuser has a security wire and a PCB connector. We also have the base section with all the extended looped connectors. You have the AC and the dimming pair. Find the H bracket that is supplied with the corner, and also find the linking clip. Remove the cover, locate the AC wires and plug in the H bracket. Plug the base section into the line of light, use the linking clip to affix the two parts together. Take the connectors and the wires and loop through the corner section, attach the security wire, and then plug the LED DC connector into the corner that is powered by the previous section. Plug in the dimming loop cables, plug in the AC loop cables that go to the next fitting, and then use the cover to hold the cables into the base. To connect the diffuser into the base section, simply locate them together and then apply pressure until they click. How to connect lengths together. Find the H linking bracket and linking clip. Remove the internal cover. and slide in the H bracket into the end section. Push the two pieces together and then use the linking clip to firmly attach the two lengths. Connect the color-coded AC connector, connect the dimming wire to loop through to the next fitting, and then isolate the corner as you do not need this piece. Use the cover, push the diffuser into the base and apply pressure until they connect. When connecting two lengths together, open the diffusers, push the cover over the gap to prevent any light spill, and then reattach the diffusers. Take the die-cast aluminium end cap and place it onto the end of the run. The line of light suspension kit. The suspension kits are supplied with 2 wires. The suspension kits are pre-assembled, so there are no bag of bits on site. The rear bracket can clip into any location on the back of the line of light. It can also clip over the top of the uplighter section. Unscrew the sealing bracket and attach the screw inside, and then reattach the thread into the security wire. To shorten the suspension wire, simply pull the suspension wire through the rear of the bracket.